Hello students, welcome to class. Naz Daily. Naz Daily, Naz Daily, you're a hypocrite. Oh, Naz Daily, you're a piece of shit. You pay people to murder animals. When you're caught, you cry about it. Oh, Naz Daily, you're a piece of shit. It's unfortunate, but it's true. Naz Daily, I didn't know who he was. You guys told me, go and watch his channel. He's all about peace and love and compassion for all. I'm not sure that that's true, guys. I looked at this channel and the first thing I see is this thing about eating meat. Dead meat right there. I mean, this guy seems like a massive hypocrite if he's about love and peace and pays for murder. So let's have a look at it a bit.
Last week, I showed you how Japan loves fish.
They love fish. Oh, so they cherish them. I guess they don't eat them there.
That's why.
Okay. This is your idea of love, Naz Daily? This is what you think is love? Really? What do you do when you love women? Is this how you treat them? What do you do when you love the LGBTQ community? Is this how you treat them? What about the dark-skinned community? Is this how you treat them? I hate to tell you, to be the one to break it to you, but this isn't love. This is kind of the opposite of love. You know? Taking away someone's life, their breath, cutting them up. It's kind of fucked up if you think that that's love. Whoa.
Why, they have the world's largest fish market. You know, a place that sells fish.
Okay. Why are you saying fish like that? Oh, is this a video where you feel guilty, where you've been called out? And you're just trying to make a big joke out of this here? Instead of just owning up and saying, oh, I made a mistake. I should be vegan. That's what you're doing, isn't it?
Little did I know, fish is a sensitive topic and...
Fish isn't a sensitive topic. We can talk about fish and saving the oceans, saving the coral reefs. It's not a sensitive topic. Talking about how beautiful fish are and how they belong in the oceans. We shouldn't be touching them. It's not a sensitive topic. It's sensitive when somebody is paying people to hurt them and we stand up for their rights. Then it becomes suddenly sensitive to you because you feel guilty.
This turned into a huge backlash.
You should be ashamed of
Well, if you're hurting fish, yeah, you should be ashamed of yourself.
yourself, asshole.
Oh, asshole murderer, yeah. Well, if you're eating fish, paying people to hurt them, to take them away from their home, if you think that you have a right to decide to point at a sentient being and say, your body belongs to me, and you think that that's going to go without us scrutinizing that statement, yeah, you kind of are a murderer.
Murderer, go vegan.
Of course you should go vegan. Isn't that the obvious solution? And you're here, what, making fun of vegans? Why would you do that? It's so easy. Just go to the store and choose other things to eat. Veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Put those in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate. So open up your heart. Simple. Not hard. What is your problem exactly? Oh, is it just too hard? Oh, are you addicted to cheese? Get over it. Suck it up. Your taste buds are not more important than the lives of innocent beings who never did a single thing wrong to you ever.
Look, you are right.
I am right. We are right, vegans. Yes, we are. And we should end the video right there. That would be a great spot to end. I'm so happy. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Bye for now. No, I won't do that. Let's see what else he has to say. In a few years, aren't you curious? What's going to happen in a few years?
In a few years, I'll probably become...
I'll probably become vegetarian? I'll probably become vegetarian. Okay, so you know that hurting animals is wrong. But you're not going to stop now. You're going to probably stop in the future. That's like saying that you're a racist, but you'll probably stop being a racist in the future. Or it's like saying that you're homophobic, and you'll probably stop being homophobic in the future. If you know that something's wrong, why don't you kind of stop now? Like right now, just stop. If you know that you're doing something that is evil and cruel, what are you waiting for? And by the way, let me point out to you that being vegetarian is not the solution. Vegetarians are as bad as anyone else because they still pay for the rape, the torture, the confinement, the kidnapping, and the sadness and the murder of innocent animals who never did a single thing wrong to them ever. Haven't you done your research to know what happens in the dairy industry? The males are grabbed and strapped down so they can't move. Then they are touched inappropriately. Their sperm is forced out. It is then walked over and inserted into a female who's tied down in something that's called a rape rack. Are you okay with all that? That's what you pay for. Then when her baby is born, if he's a boy, he is murdered. His throat is cut. A baby boy cow. An absolutely innocent, precious being. That's what you pay people to do. That's the dairy industry. And then they cut up their bodies and turn them into veal. And then they rip off their skin, turn it into jackets and purses and shoes. That's what you pay for, Mr. I love the world and I'm full of love and compassion. Unbelievable. And then do you know what happens in the egg industry? Maybe you don't know, but considering you've been all around the world, I'm sure you know. You just don't give a shit. You're just a selfish prick, aren't you? Yeah. In the egg industry, this is what you pay for. Innocent baby boy chicks, little yellow, beautiful bundles of love, going down a massive conveyor belt with thousands of them, just totally bewildered, don't know where their mother is, don't know what's going on. Completely everything the opposite of what would happen in nature. No shelter, it's cold, it's noisy. They are forced to be awake for ages, and then they go down this long conveyor belt, and someone checks, and when they're boys, they're thrown down this massive vat, and they are cut into 1,000,000 pieces, because they'll never be able to lay eggs, and so they're considered to be useless in the industry. This is what you pay for. Being vegetarian is not good enough. Vegetarians are the enemy. And this is your plan for the future? You're going to be a vegetarian in the future? I think we've seen enough. Naz Daily, you're a hypocrite. Oh, Naz Daily, you're a piece of shit. You pay people to murder animals. When you're caught, you cry about it. Oh, Naz Daily, you're a piece of shit. Despicable. Shame on you. You absolutely failed ethics class, and here's your sign. There you go. You failed. To everyone else who actually learned something today, who kind of opened their hearts and thought, wow, I don't really want to be like this guy. He's just a facade. Shallow inside, dark inside. That's what he is. For those of you who've decided that you want to be vegan, congratulations to you. So proud of you guys. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Woo-hoo. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Woo-hoo. Whether you've been vegan for a lifetime or just a minute, welcome to the club. We're so glad you're in it. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Woo-hoo. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Woo-hoo. Everywhere around the world, animals are lining up to thank you for your compassion and for allowing your heart to open up. Thank you to everyone who's decided to be vegan today. I know I'm not the greatest singer, but I have fun. Anyway, you guys should sing too, whether you're good or not. Whatever. Life's short, you know? Especially with people like him around. You just never know when the axe is going to come out. Anyway, thank you everyone for being vegan. If you haven't yet done so, look down below. Do you see the subscribe button? Do you see it? Press the subscribe button, and beside it is a bell. press the notification bell. That way you'll get like a ping on your phone and you'll be able to come and join us in the premieres where you can type to me and I can answer you. If you have questions or comments about veganism, yeah, I like to do these premieres. So thank you everyone for being here. Don't forget to press the bell. Help me get these animals out of hell. And coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. They're going to be popping up. Click on them. Be curious. Go ahead, look around that Vegan Teacher site. There's over 1,000 videos that you can choose from. Make some popcorn and just watch the whole channel. Way back in the archives, there's me singing. I don't know if I was better then or not, but maybe I was never good to begin with. I have some okay songs though, but anyway. That's up to you to decide. Thank you everyone for being here. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. But don't forget to give yourself a hug, okay? Hug yourself. Big hug because, you know, life is difficult sometimes. And I know you guys, a lot of you are really trying hard to be vegan. And I just love you guys so much. But, you know, I'm not there to hug you. So hug yourselves. Be proud of yourselves. And, you know, just give yourself a good chance. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. You got to get the message in your head and in your heart. And this is where you start, right here on That Vegan Teacher's channel. Thanks all for being here, guys. Love you.
Let's follow That Vegan Teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her say